To get the money off a virtual Visa card instantly, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a virtual Visa card with sufficient funds. Next, you need to find a method to transfer the funds from the virtual card to a physical account or wallet where you can access the money. One method is to use a peer-to-peer payment service such as PayPal or Cash App. Create an account with the service if you do not already have one. Then link your virtual Visa card to the account. Once the card is linked, you can initiate a transfer of funds from the virtual card to the payment service account. Another method is to use a bank account. If your bank allows virtual Visa card transfers, log into your online banking account, navigate to the transfer or deposit section, and look for an option to transfer funds from a virtual card or account. Enter the virtual Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then confirm the transfer. Depending on the payment service or bank, the transfer may be instant or take a few minutes to a few hours. To avoid any potential issues, ensure your virtual Visa card is eligible for transfers and that you have verified your account with the payment service or bank. Additionally, check the fees associated with the transfer, as some services may charge a small fee. In summary, to get the money off a virtual Visa card instantly, link the card to a peer-to-peer payment service or bank account. Initiate a transfer of funds, and verify your account to ensure a smooth and fast transaction. It is essential to be aware of the terms and conditions of your virtual Visa card and the payment service or bank you are using, as some may have restrictions or requirements for instant transfers. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential fees and restrictions, you can access your money quickly and easily.